Welcome back. Days after Allu Arjun's release from jail, it appears he isn't yet out of grip of legal troubles. Allu Arjun was arrested on three specific charges as per the initial FIR. This includes punishment for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, voluntarily causing hurt and criminal act done by several persons in furtherance of the common intention. Sources tell Times Now that the Telangana police is set to approach High Court tomorrow and wants to get the actor's interim bail cancelled. Sources also tell Times Now that the police has submitted a letter to the prosecution. This is the same letter that they claim was written to the theatre management, where the police informed the theatre authorities and the actors not to visit the theatre, citing difficulties in controlling the fans if they do so. However, many in the legal community have questioned the Telangana police's justification for the arrest.
If a person doesn't come to the police station, doesn't join, only then you go and arrest. And in a case like this, where of course, he's not directly involved in this entire incident, it's just that he visited to promote his movie. And while promoting, of course, when these stars come, there's always, overcrowding. And in this case, it has resulted into a stampede. So in terms of law, if you ask me, then I don't think this offense of 304 IPC, erstwhile IPC, and the new offense is made out because he doesn't have a mens rea, he doesn't have a criminal intent. And I don't think he had the knowledge.
The fact remains that it is rather incredible that he has been roped in culpable homicide. Let's understand this. The incident takes place in a private premises. There may be security issues at that premises. There may be security issues outside on the road, wherever that premises is located. But that does not implicate the individual who has come there bona fidely. And I think it is unfortunate that these provisions are being invoked against people who are visible, whether it be people in public life or people who are well-known actors.
Now, as the Telangana police prepares to move the High Court cancelling his interim bail, let's once again remind you the message that Allu Arjun sent out moments after he walked out from the prison early Saturday morning.
I'd like to thank everybody from all over for all your love and support. Thank you so much. I'm genuinely touched by everybody's love from all over the country and everywhere, from all the industries, all the people, all the states. Thank you so much for all the love, and especially my fans. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. I love you, my fans. Thank you so much for your unconditional love and support. And of course, I cannot finish it without saying the thanks to the media. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank the entire media for all your love and support. Thank you. Thank you, Andy. We're extremely sorry for the family, and I will personally be there to support them in whatever way possible. It's purely accidental. Cinema theatre, I'm inside a cinema theatre watching a film with my family, and an accident happened outside. I was inside a theatre watching a movie with my family, and the accident happened outside. It's purely of no direct connection to me. It's purely accidental, purely unintentional, and my love and sympathies are genuinely there with the family, and I'll be there I'll be there to support them in whatever way possible. And I've been coming to the same theatre for the last I've been coming to the same theatre for the last 20 years, and I've been to the same place more than 30 times, and never any accident like this happened. It is purely unfortunate accident, and we're extremely sorry for the accident that has happened, which is totally out of our control.
Let's open this up. We have Sana Rais Khan, celebrity and lawyer of Supreme Court. We have Mahesh Begala, leader of BRS, and Dr. Nikul Patel, leader of the Congress. Mr. Mahesh Begala, now the police authorities saying that they had informed the actor and the theatre management that it will be difficult for them to handle this kind of a crowd, and they had suggested that they should not come. Although we did hear what Allu Arjun said right after his release, that he's been going there for the last 20 years. He's saying it is unfortunate.
Yeah, firstly, we definitely sympathize with the families of the victims. Whatever that happened, it's an unfortunate incident, and our sympathies goes for the victim's family. And as we said, as Allu Arjun said, he's been there for 20 times, but more than 30 times in the last 20 years. And the Sandhya Theatre management wrote to the police, and they have informed the Allu Arjun is coming. So this unfortunate stampede took place, but what it is like easy directly connected with the incident. So yes, if he has gone there, the stampede took place. It's not only like in the movie theater. These kind of incidents, like we saw in the past, like the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, he went to the one of the event and 20 people died in the stampede. But is he connected directly to the event or the deaths happen? So it's the government and even the police. They should look at the facts, and then even if they need to investigate, they shouldn't come for the conclusion that as the investigation is going on. As the CM said, the law will take its own course, and they arrested him, and Allu Arjun went to the court, and he got the bail. And if they want to investigate,
but they are going to challenge it in the High Court,
cooperate.
and they're going to challenge it in the High Court tomorrow. Now, Dr. Nikul Patel, the question is the state not ready to take onus, and that's why they're shifting the blame or putting the blame on the actor? Many, in fact, and we're talking about legal luminaries here, were speaking out saying, how is the actor responsible, directly responsible for what has happened?
See, you are taking it in another way. When the incident happened and the government had told that the court order was there to arrest Allu Arjun ji, then police had done his duty. At that time, the opposition and the people were telling that he should not be allowed. The government must take care, all these things. Now, when it comes to a law, I would like to say here that the applicant had put his name into the application, and that is why he is being charged those crimes. Secondly, now entire thing is shifting towards the government administration, that is police. But if you see what police is claiming and the proper permission and what all this is not being taken.
One second.
So
the theatre management also claims that they had informed the police that there's going to be presence of the actor and the entire cast.
That is a matter of investigation now, and that is what the police is doing, and police had sent a notice to the...
Yes, absolutely. So if it is a matter of investigation, why just go and arrest the actor? That's the big question that is being asked. Sana Rais Khan, is this now the cops versus Allu Arjun?
Yes, absolutely. Because see, he is neither an incorrigible offender. He is not even a hardened criminal. He has no criminal record, no past offense. I mean, like, there are so many renowned gangsters who are going scot-free, but just look at this case. Like, why is this man who has no intent, no criminal intent on record, no knowledge on record, nothing established even to attract the offenses that have been invoked? And here, such actions, even these actions raise concerns about misuse of legal process to harass public figures, because he's being held accountable for incidents which is beyond his control, simply because of his influence and visibility. The real focus should be on identifying systematic failures that led to the stampede, such as inadequate crowd control and event mismanagement. So targeting,
whether that was on part of the police or part of the management, that should have been highlighted instead of just arresting Allu Arjun. That's the point you're making, right? So let me take a quick counter from Dr. Nikul Patel on that. Dr. Nikul Patel, please respond. He did not even have knowledge of what had happened, let alone criminal intention.
Yeah, definitely. Allu Arjun ji was not knowing about what happened, and he is not directly responsible. But over here, the complainant